Every night, little Timmy would wave to the moon and say, "Good night, Mr. Moon." But one night something strange happened. Achoo! The moon sneezed. Timmy gasped. Did the moon just sneeze? Up in the sky, a tiny voice echoed, "Sorry, space dust." Timmy blinked. "You can talk." "Of course," said the moon, "but only to kind children who say good night." "Do you get lonely up there?" Timmy asked. "Sometimes," said the moon, "but your wave makes me smile." From that night on, Timmy not only waved, he threw a flying kiss. And the moon, it always glowed a little brighter, unless it sneezed again.